2004 and it's been 20 years, and in these 20 years we have made lot of progress in the field of blood donation. Now people are coming forward to donate their blood, so this shows the awareness which has been put in the community. It also shows that we are having 5 blood banks which are registered with us, 3 in public and 2 in private. We are doing a lot of blood donation camps and we are having blood donation vans also with us. Our laboratories are well equipped for storage of blood. Also the separations of the blood components are also there. The blood donation is needed in road traffic accidents, say trauma. We also need this in the this thing of pregnant obstetrics, like postpartum hemorrhage. We need this in cancer, anemia is also there. We also need these things in hemophilia and also other blood diseases also. With this I say thank you. I urge people to donate their blood.
So from the year 2005, where we had only 11,854 units being donated, we now have increased to 28,561. So this is a marked improvement in our blood donation, and as you know, each unit can save up to 4 lives. So please go ahead and continue this progress and increase more number of people coming forward to donate blood.